Hi everyone, my name is Erin LaMarca. I'm a senior here at St. Michael's. If you saw my introduction video, you know a little bit about me and why I chose St. Mike's, but I just wanted to hop on today and give you guys a little bit of an insight into cooking at college. So what I'm cooking throughout the day. I'll do all 3 meals. I might do some baking during the day because why not? Normally I'd be student teaching right now, but because it is February break in Vermont, I get a week to just relax and hang out and do some cooking, which I'm really excited about. So I will see you down in the kitchen. Hi everyone, so for breakfast today I think I'm gonna go pretty simple. I'm just gonna do a slice of peanut butter toast with an apple and some tea. So I'm really excited because I'm really hungry right now. So for my tea, I'm really excited about having this Berries tea brand. I actually found it when I was studying abroad in Ireland. It's made in Cork, Ireland, where I was. So it's really great to be able to bring that piece of my experience abroad back home. Hi guys, so I just finished cooking my breakfast. I'm going to enjoy it now. I won't put you guys through the pain of having to watch me eat, but I will see you guys at lunchtime. Hi everyone, so it's time for lunch and I'm gonna get started cooking. I think I'm gonna do a chicken sandwich with some bacon and spinach and maybe some carrot sticks on the side. So come along and see. Okay, so I cut the video off before you guys had to watch me do the dishes. I absolutely love having my own kitchen and being able to cook whatever I want when I want. Here, the only downfall is not having a dishwasher. You do get used to doing the dishes by hand. I won't lie, I did look up the price of portable dishwashers last semester. Way too expensive for me as a college student, so we're dealing with washing them by hand. But now I am so excited to dig into this. I haven't made this in so long. I think you saw it at the end before. So I will see you guys later at dinner, or I think I might bake some muffins later, so maybe I'll see you then too. Hi again. So I'm gonna try to make some peanut butter banana chocolate muffins. I found this recipe on Pinterest, where I honestly find a lot of the recipes that I've been using since I've been cooking at college. I love to bake. Last semester I probably made between like 10 and 12 dozen chocolate chip cookies and just other stuff. This semester I am trying to be a little bit healthier with what I'm baking, so these are really great. I love them, especially for breakfast when I'm student teaching and have to be out of the house really quick. They're great to just be able to grab one, heat it up, have it with a cup of tea or something, and yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go put the muffins in the oven now. They smell so good. You can see them. And here we go. Okay, so it's time to take the muffins out of the oven. Let's see how they're looking. These look pretty good. Quickly give them a test. These look good, so we'll just give them a second to cool down before we can dig in. Okay, so the muffins just came out of the oven and I'll let them cool down a little bit. They look fantastic. See them there? Cut open and dig into this real quick. I did realize I put in the wrong amount of baking soda and baking powder. I only used half a teaspoon. I'm supposed to use a full one, but I'm thinking they're still gonna be pretty good. Look at all that gooiness in there. So good. So I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this and get a few more things done, and I will see you guys at dinner time. So just really quickly before dinner, I just want to tell you guys about all the different dining options here on campus. Unfortunately, you won't be able to have a kitchen on campus and cook for yourself every year. So as a freshman, you're probably gonna come in and live in the double room, and with that you have what we call an unlimited meal plan. Technically, I think it has a limit, but someone sat down and did the math and realized you'd have to go 16 times a day to the dining hall in order to use them all. So it's basically unlimited. And in our new dining hall, or I say new because it was just redone, the dining area and the kitchen area looks super nice. We're gonna have all different types of options. They have pizza and pasta and the grill station and stir fry, salad bar, sandwiches, breakfast bar during the morning. They can do made to order omelets during non-COVID times. And there's always gonna be different entrees and stuff. So they really do try to make sure that there are so many different options for people. I can tell you that I'm a super picky eater and I have always been able to find something. So as you move through the years at St. Mike's, your living situation will change and so will your kitchen situation. So there are some suites that you might actually be able to get into as you're a sophomore. Maybe you'll still be in a double as a sophomore, it all depends. But those suites have a kitchen for each floor. So even though you're still gonna be on that unlimited meal plan, you do have access to a kitchen that you can use. So maybe if you're just not feeling what's in the dining hall one night, you can go and cook. I know me and my friends, we cooked for the Super Bowl my sophomore year to make all just different stuff and try something a little different. Then as a junior and as a senior, you can likely get into an apartment or a townhouse where you have your own kitchen and you'll have 40 swipes into the dining hall. And I really haven't felt any pressure to, that I needed more swipes or anything like that. You can get more if you need them, but it's worked out good. I'll pop to the dining hall every once in a while. I went today for French fries with my roommates. And it's just nice to be able to, if you want to take a night off from cooking or something like that, that there's an option that's already been paid for.
This is not working.
Hi again, so it's dinner time and I'm gonna be making a creamy bacon chicken dish. This is another one that I found on Pinterest and it's definitely one of my favorites since I've been cooking at school. I'm also gonna use some leftover spaghetti I have in the fridge and I think I'm gonna add some green beans and I'm really excited. Done cooking for the day. So excited to dig into my dinner. I mean, chicken and bacon, what can go wrong there? This is definitely one of my favorite meals that I make once in a while. I hope you guys have all enjoyed seeing my cooking throughout the day. I love being able to share it with you. It's been so much fun spending one of my break days doing this and cooking. I absolutely love it. A lot of these meals are ones that I will typically make, sometimes not all in one day. I might not have the time, but these are pretty normal things that I will eat all the time when I'm here at St. Mike's, and I am so happy that I've had the chance to share them with you and share the different dining options, and I hope you enjoyed it.